How to add a click to call link in Elementor and WordPress. So before we start, check out the best hosting recommended by professionals with decades of testing and experience. To choose yours, click the link in the description below. So let's get started. First of all, I am on my particular website. So start by tapping on this edit with Elementor on the top. Once you tap on this will take you directly to your editor where you need to start by selecting your particular text that you want to convert into the link. So let's create a new one as an example. So once you are done typing this particular number, you just need to head over to this link section, and what you have to type here is TEL colon, and then you need to paste this particular number. Once you do so, you just need to save changes, and whenever a person clicks on this number on your website, he will be redirected to make a call section. Not only you can do this with the phone number only, you can also do this with images as well. If I tap on this image, let's say it has a graphics of call section. So you just need to head over to the link section again and tap on custom URL, enter the same prompt and then paste your particular number. Once you do so, whenever a customer click on this particular image with a call icon, he will be again redirected to his call section. So hope this helped. This is how you can add a click to call link in Elementor or WordPress.